So it's Monday and it's Lifehackers. This is Ying and
Aaliyah. Alright, so as you all know, Lifehackers, this is like the second last episode of Lifehackers.
Yeah.
Don't worry, today we could talk about something very interesting.
Yes, we're going to talk about mistakes that we've made from the transition from our teenagers into our 20s. So like mid-20s, early 20s, late 20s.
Yeah, so you get to know something very deep inside us, like what mistakes have we made last time. And also because Aaliyah and I are from different countries, so both of us have like a different background and like a upbringing. Of how
so we're gonna
parents...
talk about like how our parents like handled or managed our mistakes kind of along the way.
I was a couch potato last time. Okay, so you get to know that later, okay? Only on Lifehackers every Monday from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. KDU Campus Radio. Bye!